Hello everyone and welcome to this video showcasing the incredible features of the Boltt Phoenix Ultra Luxury Stainless Steel Smartwatch. I am thrilled to introduce you to this stylish and powerful companion for your daily adventures. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Boltt Phoenix Ultra and exploring what's inside the box. Here we have a sleek and elegant smartwatch itself, along with the charging cable and a user manual. Now let's dive into the specification of the Boltt Phoenix Ultra. It features a bigger round display with the TFT colored full touch screen and high resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, ensuring a vibrant and crisp viewing experience. This smartwatch is not only about style but also about functionalities. It comes with a host of features that will enhance your daily life. One of the standout features is the Bluetooth calling capability. You can make and receive calls directly from the watch using the built-in speaker and microphone. Let me show you how it works. Hello, hi sir. The Boltt Phoenix Ultra is designed to keep you connected and informed. You can receive notifications from all your favorite social media channels like Instagram, WhatsApp and Facebook right on the watch's round display. Never miss an important message or event again. Are you a fitness enthusiast? This smartwatch has got you covered with over 120 sports modes to choose one from. Whether you are hitting the gym, going for a run or engaging in yoga, the Boltt Phoenix Ultra will track your activities effectively. It's your personal activity tracker right on your wrist. Health is important and this smartwatch helps you monitor it. With features like SpO2 tracking, heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking, you can keep a close eye